Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you ProDentim Oral Health Dental Probiotics Candy Review. So, you might be wondering, what is ProDentim here? Well, ProDentim is a dissolvable, chewable oral health tablet built around a probiotic blend, most commonly listed at 3.5 billion CFU total across strains, including Lactobacilli paracasei, and Lactobacillus reuteri, and B. lactis BL04. Supporting ingredients include inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the probiotic strains, malic acid for saliva production and tooth appearance, and tricalcium phosphate, a calcium source for enamel support, and peppermint and spearmint for flavor and breath freshness. Now, according to them, it's described as manufactured in an FDA-registered GMP-certified US facility using non-GMO ingredients, free from gluten and artificial additives here. Now, how do you exactly use this product here? Now, according to them or the website, you just chew or let one tablet dissolve slowly in the mouth once daily, generally recommended in the morning after brushing, rather than swallowing it immediately. Now, this is meant to let the probiotics and nutrients interact directly with the mouth, and it's positioned as a daily addition to a regular oral health hygiene routine, brushing and flossing, not a replacement for either. Now, consistent daily use for at least 30 days to 90 days is the general guidance for assessing results. As with any probiotics, some mild digestive adjustments is noted as possible when starting, so generally described as temporary. Now, what about the pricing? Now, the pricing here, commonly listed options are a single bottle, which is 30 tablets for 30 days or 30-day supply, is at $69 per bottle. Now, a bottle bundle here at $59 per bottle, which is 177 total, and a 6 bottle bundle at $49 per bottle, a total of 294 total. So each with free shipping, and multi-bottle bundles commonly listed 2 bonus digital guides. It's sold through the brand's official website, with the site stating it isn't available through third-party retailers, and purchases come with a 60-day money-back guarantee according to them. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.